Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. I just got a new router that I have to get and set up. I'm getting Verizon Fios installed Saturday in a couple of days. I'm having that done Saturday, and I was told to get a router myself so I could save money instead of paying or renting $12 a month, I think, for theirs or whatever it was. And I was like, that's retarded. I can buy one for a lot cheaper than that. So that's what I did. So I bought one. This one should be good enough for what we use. That's what I was told at the store. I bought this at Micro Center. Here it is right here. We got the TP link, AC1200 Wi-Fi router. This is everything it got. All right, yeah, $49.99. That's what I paid from Micro Center. That's the back. Has MU-MIMO or whatever it's called, which is kind of cool. So I hope that makes it better, this MIMO stuff that it has. Let's cut this open, see what we got in the box. Okay. It's packaged like this. Little cardboard in here. I'm gonna pull this out. Okay. Put it in there. So this is kind of how it comes, just like this. That's how it comes packaged. So I'll pull it up a little bit closer so you can see. Right there. That's what it looks like in the package right there. All right. So let's open this up. See what else we got. That's the router. Got the instructions or general public notice. Okay. They give us Cat 5, not Cat 6. I mean, I guess why would you need Cat 6? But I don't know. Cat 5 it is. So they give you a small, I don't know how many feet. Let's see how many feet they give you. Maybe 3 standard. Let's see if it's 4. I'm not sure. Let's open this up. What is that? That's probably 3 foot, isn't it? Yeah, it's probably about 3 foot. Looks like a 3 foot. I think I don't have a measuring tape to really measure, but all right, I got a measuring tape. Let's measure how long of a cord they give us. Oh, no, it is more than 3 foot. It's 46 inches, roughly, 47. It's almost 4 feet, just shy of 4 feet. So that's what they give you with the thing. With the router, it's tied up. Here's the power supply right here. A little power supply, it looks like that. Let's put this up. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Can you read that? Just so if you want to know the amps, voltage, whatever it's pulling, that's the power it uses, okay? So that's it. So that goes in there. Let's open this up, see how beautiful it looks. Let's see. So it comes in this wrapper. Doesn't rip, which is cool. Just slides right out. Slides out just like that. Looks pretty nice. These go up, I guess, right? Yeah. These go up, the antennas. Only the front antennas have sticky stuff on them. The sides, the back ones don't. Looks pretty nice. Has all these lights and stuff like that in the front. Don't know what those mean yet. Does this just peel off or what? I don't know how this comes. Oh yeah, here it goes. This is, came off pretty easy. Okay. Oh, the back ones do have it. Okay, the back ones do have it. They were tighter. So the back ones do have it. So I'm just gonna peel off 2 of them for now, and just so you guys could see the review for just 2 of them. Okay. That's kind of what we got. Just like this, has 4 antennas. Hopefully this works out better than what I have. Like, it's 50 bucks. I think we should get something really good. Here we go, up close, TP link. That's the bottom. turn this around so you can see the model, serial number, all that stuff. I'm going to change my passwords. Obviously, that don't matter, but yeah, there you go. Here's the back. Here's what you got. Power button is a push button, pushes in and out. The reset button, you need something small to plug in there. WPS, Wi-Fi on or off, you can pick that. Internet in and 4 out. So I'm going to be using that. Okay, that's the back. And that's it. It's kind of what it looks like. It's pretty cool. I don't have any data right now. I'll let you know if it's faster. I'll try to edit the video and add that in. I'm going to do some tests downstairs right now, compare it to what I have, and then compare it to having the TP-Link with Fios. So I'll do some testing downstairs. I don't know how it's going to come out on camera because I never made videos off the filming a computer before. It usually comes out blurry. And I think there's a way to record, but I don't know the screenshot, the screen itself. Maybe I'll figure that out. But that's all we got. So here it is again. Okay. That's about it. That's all we got. That's just a box opening of it and a little review. I'm going to have this thing hooked up and I'll give you better results hopefully in the video. So that's it. Everyone enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below. If you have any comments, I would love to hear from them. If you have any questions, always ask questions below. I always try to get to them as soon as I can. And I'll probably have this installed for a week by the time, or 2 weeks by the time I have this, plugged in and everything. By the time I put this video up. So you'll be able to ask questions and I'll have better answers to whatever. But let's see the speed. Hopefully it impresses me. All right, everybody enjoy. Have a good day. Bye-bye.